Hi YouTube. Today, sprinkler fire alarm bell. When bell rings, dial 911. You're going to be testing MT, simplex horn, and the remote strobe. Today, our cameraman is
Steven.
No, you.
No, you're the cameraman.
No, I'm the camera. I'm the puller. Alright. His name is Connor Montgomery. Alright.
Okay,
Now,
this is the CP. No.
I'm pulling it.
No.
I'm pulling it.
Fine.
Get me pulling it.
I'll pull it.
Stand up and get me and put the.
No,
Alright.
you said I could do it.
I'll let you do this one only.
Okay, people, this is now not recording.
No, yes it is.
It's done.
No, it's not. Alright. Keep hold it. Now, stand up and let me pull the rest.
No, I'm gonna pull this one at least.
Alright, but it's last, remember? I pull this one. Stand up and watch me pull
Okay.
it, please.
Okay, YouTube.
Code 3. And Mark. That was slow, Mark, but now for our favorite thing, YouTube, power drain. It farted. All right, now.